In this video, let me show you the way that you can fix Snapchat app crashing. If you're having this issue with your Snapchat application, in today's video, let me show you a couple of common fixes. The first thing that you can immediately do is look for new updates available. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store. Search for Snapchat, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update this application. The second thing that you can also try out is try to clear the Snapchat app cache. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, and once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage, and right here you'll see the option called clear cache. As soon as you do that, make sure you close the app of Snapchat from the recent app list and try to see if the issue is now fixed. The other thing that you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Snapchat from your device and then again reinstall it. By doing these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat app crashing. But however, if you're still having issues, then that likely could mean your device is running out of space. So you'll need to free up some space in order for Snapchat to work properly. As well as Snapchat might be down right now, so it might be having issues. So just wait out a couple of hours before you try to use the app again. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.